Good morning and welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday and I need to go get my nails done. I'm taking these off. These have been on for like 3.5 weeks. I'm just gonna do a French on my natural nails because I'm tired of having gelics. Get them off, please. I've bent almost every single one of these nails back already and my nails are sore. I'm tired. I'm probably gonna go head to Trader Joe's because I really don't have food in this apartment. And probably stop at a couple stores because one of my friends ended up getting tickets to Rolling Loud last minute. So I'm like, I need an outfit. I don't even know what people wear to these things. Like, I don't really go to festivals like that. I'm not a fan of big crowds, so hopefully we're in like a VIP area where we don't have to be around like the crowd. Regardless, I'm like, I need a fit, I need to look cute, I don't know what to wear. And then tonight is my friend's birthday and we're celebrating at a place called Holy Moly, which I believe is mini golf. And I know she loves mini golf, so I'm sure that's what it is. And I'm gonna take you guys along, so let's go. This rain caught me off guard and I really need to buy an umbrella. I got so nervous to record in the nail salon because one, I showed up 10 minutes late and they don't play. This Russian manicure spot that I go to, they scare me a little bit. So I was rushing to get in there and I still wanted to make a TikTok. I didn't even get to do like a transitional TikTok with my nails, but whatever. But this is what they look like. I'm obsessed with them. I was going for like a milky French kind of vibes. She did like burn the tip of these two fingers a little with the nail file. Like, she was going crazy. She didn't realize until the end. Like, I'm not one that likes to complain, so I just kind of like left it because it wasn't that bad. But when she went back over again, when she finished with the nail file, I like moved my hand and she was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna put a liquid band-aid on. But they came out so cute. I'm obsessed with them. I needed those long nails off. I was over it. Done. Right now I'm in the Trader Joe's parking lot. I'm about to buy some groceries because I have nothing left in my house except shrimp and I'm tired of eating shrimp every day. Even though I love shrimp, I can't have it for another night. So I'm just gonna try to pick up a couple things really quick. It's 4 o'clock right now and I want to leave my house by 6 to make sure that I get to Santa Monica in time. The reservation for my friend's birthday isn't until 9 o'clock and I still want to have time to shop at Zara. I just need to get everything done today. Okay, I need to hurry up and make this video because my car is parked illegally outside. So let's do a quick Trader Joe's haul. I want to show you guys what I got. First, this is my favorite movie theater popcorn that comes in a bag. It's from Trader Joe's. I already opened it because I was eating in the car, but it is so freaking good, you guys. Got this pesto pizza. This is my favorite pizza that they carry there. I like to throw shrimps on it. It makes it like a little shrimp pesto pizza. It's delicious. I decided to try this French onion macaroni and cheese. I don't know. I'm gonna bring it for lunch for work, but we'll see how this tastes. I don't know. It sounded good. I was also craving a pastry because it's that time of the month. I bought these banana chocolate chip muffins and I ate one in the car because I haven't eaten all day. I bought this bag of romaine lettuce to make little wraps for lunch for work. I don't really eat that, but I have some tortillas that I need to eat and I'm like, might as well make it useful, you know? And then I bought carrots and I bought this dip. This is my favorite dip that Trader Joe's has. It's the caramelized onion dip. It's so good if you like that sour cream and onion type of flavor. Cilantro, I need cilantro to cook with all the time. I can't be without it. I decided to try this Swiss cheese and Gruyere cheese. I figured I could put it on my wraps. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying things over here. I bought my favorite apples from Trader Joe's. These are the Cosmic Crisp. If you like Honey Crisp apples, these are insanely good. They're very similar. They're very sweet and juicy and delicious. Sometimes my favorite snack is just to have apples and peanut butter. I bought baby carrots to use with the dip and to make a soup. Got broccolini. I've never actually cooked broccolini, but I just went to Wally's the other day in Beverly Hills and had this garlic roasted broccolini and it was really good. So I was like, I'm gonna try to make that at home. And I bought this Cuban style little citrus bowl, another thing to try for lunch at work. It says it has juicy chicken thighs, seasoned rice, black beans, plantains, zesty citrus, and garlic sauce. I don't know. It sounds kind of good, but frozen meals can be a little hit or miss. I bought ground turkey, chicken drumsticks to make a chicken soup with. And I bought chicken thighs, my favorite. I do not eat chicken breast. I think it's dry and gross. So I stick to chicken thighs and it just tastes so much better, honestly. And that's it for my haul. Let's head to Santa Monica. I don't know, me and my friends are trying to go for like a jean on jean thing for my friend's little outing. I wanted to get this, but this isn't small enough. That is a large, but the small just didn't seem small enough. There's a lot of jean stuff here though, and Zara, and peplums are back. This is kind of cute. Not for $45 though. That's ugly. I don't like skirts. It gives me like childish. These are really cute, but I feel like the heel is too small. I really like these. 60. These are cute. I bought a similar pair off Shein for like less than 15. These are really cute. Oh my god. I love this. Is a perfect 10. Okay, let's see how much. 50? It's actually not bad. I actually really love these. I'm gonna think about those. These two. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. These are so cute. $60. Oh, it's been a day. I got no lipstick on. My hair is frizzy. It's been raining all day in LA, like 45 degrees outside. It's cold. I'm still cold. That's why I have my jacket on still. There has been a change of plans. So I picked up something for my friend for her birthday at Sephora. I got her one of those little Way travel sets because I know she loves to smell good. And Way, their stuff, it just smells amazing. Every single scent that they have just smells so freaking good. So I got her that and a little bouquet of flowers, and then I was gonna check in because they were running a little late. They were like IDs, and why did this is like today out of all days, I left my passport at home. And the only reason I have a passport is because my ID expired and I ordered a new one and it never came in. So I have to deal with that. But the ID that I have is expired. So like he went to scan it. He was like, oh, I can let you in with an expired ID. Like, okay, the ID is expired, but my age is not expired. So I don't understand what the issue is. But whatever. They didn't want to let me in. So I just gave my girlfriend her present. And I was like, I'm going to go home because I'm not driving all the way back home and then back there. Like, that's just doing too much. But on the bright side, I was in Santa Monica. So I got to pick up my favorite Thai food from over there because low-key I haven't eaten a meal all day long. Like, I've been running around all day. After I got my nails done, I went to Trader Joe's. I went to get an oil change. I dropped off the food here at my house and then I went straight to Santa Monica. I've been out all freaking day. All I've eaten was a chocolate chip banana muffin and some popcorn. I'm starving. My favorite. Oh my god, I love this place so much. It's called Thai Dishes. It's in Santa Monica and it's the best Thai food you can get. I brought my girlfriend there the other day. We shared the pad see ew and the curry rice. Y'all, fire. I honestly haven't tried one bad thing from there. Like, so good. Look at it. Oh my god. Let me just take one bite. Oh my god, it's so freaking good. I'm probably gonna devour this whole plate, low-key, but high-key. I'm probably just gonna pop on a rom-com or watch Schitt's Creek. Y'all need to let me know, like, what shows are you into right now? Because I feel like I have nothing to watch right now. I'm watching White Lotus, but that only comes out like every Sunday. So for the rest of the week, I'm like, what do I do? I like to rewatch my favorite comfort shows, which is like Full House. I rewatch every time I finish all the seasons. I'll rewatch it again, all 6 seasons. I am ashamed to admit that I know every single episode of Full House and could probably quote each episode. Like, I know what's gonna happen. So I have Full House, I have Sister Sister I rewatch, Sabrina the Teenage Witch I rewatch, and right now I'm rewatching Schitt's Creek, which is one of my favorite comedy like sitcoms. Oh my god, it makes me laugh every time. Like, I forget how funny this show is. Like, so now I'm into that right now, but y'all let me know, like, is there something to watch? I've heard people talk about Severance. I don't even know what that's about. But it's giving, like, movie night. It's Friday. Like, I should put on a movie. The other day I watched Baggage Claim, and that was such a cute movie. Like, I'm in my feelings. So I'm like, I need to watch something That's gonna give me hope. I'm a hopeless romantic. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here because I will see y'all in the morning. We have to be ready at my friend's house by 2:30. I need to make sure I'm up and ready and have an outfit. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna hit the stores again because I didn't find anything in Zara that I liked. So I'm like, I don't know what to wear. I don't have any clothes. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure it out. But I will see y'all tomorrow. I did not want to get up today. It's currently 10 o'clock and I've been up since 8. I need to get out of bed. I need to find an outfit. I need to clean and I need to be ready by 1 o'clock. So let's go. Y'all, I'm late as I was zooming through those stores like nobody's business. I've got a couple like options laid out there. I don't even know if I'm gonna wear any of those. This is all that I picked up. I couldn't really find anything. I only went to Zara and H&M. H&M surprisingly has a lot of cute flats and like spring stuff, bags, shoes, like everything. I found this little gem and it looks really cute on. It's in an extra small. It was only like $17, which something like this at Zara would have cost like $50. So I tried it on too and it looks really cute. So this is one option. And then I bought these really nice low-rise jeans from Zara. They were $50, but they fit perfectly, honestly. So I could either wear these together. I don't know about that. I also have this white bodysuit that I might wear with this. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But I literally only have an hour. I wanted to be ready by 1 and it's 12:06. So I need to get my makeup done ASAP, hop in the shower. I like to do my makeup and then shower. I don't know. Some people like to do it the opposite, but yeah, do my makeup, hop in the shower, pick an outfit. I was thinking something like this and boots, but I don't want to be freezing because I know it's gonna get cold at night. Scratch that. Or like this one because it's longer. Is it giving? I was gonna buy the sheer tights, but I don't know. I feel like I would look ugly. But if I wore this with these, like, it's a jumpsuit. They're like lace bottoms. What about this? Low-rise jeans with a jacket. I think I'm gonna go with this and boots. And a little bag. What about this? I know it's gonna get cold later. This? Yeah, I think this is the vibe. But I'm wearing black boots, so maybe black bag. This is the finished look. I have my earrings in my pocket because I didn't have enough time, but I don't know. This is what we're gonna have to go with because my lift is outside. I'm in the Uber right now. Just picked up Connie. We literally almost matched. I almost wore the same exact white tank top with these jean low-rise pants. The only thing is this shirt, like the strap keeps falling. And maybe if you sit like next to me, you could probably see my nipple inside, but
I can't. But that's what it is. I feel like they make the arm part too long.
Yeah. When I'm standing, it doesn't matter, but
when you sit, it like falls over, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But we're so late. Like, he told us to be there at 2:30, and hopefully he told us the wrong time. You know, people do that sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, we left at 2:30, so we're not getting there till 3. Honestly, I'm excited. I don't really do festivals, but I don't really do any of the artists that are performing here. I'm just going for the vibes, and I need a drink. We'll see y'all when we get to the Sprinter Van. They have a whole Sprinter and everything. I really don't know like what the setup is there. He just was
We're
very.
probably the last one, and we're gonna take off when we get there because we're just fucking late. Oh my god.
Hopefully we're not, because he said it's a lot of people. I'm sure everyone's out on time.
Right. You always have to tell someone like an hour before, especially women.
I'm praying he told us the wrong time. Getting nervous. And this is all she brought was this little vodka thing.
I had to get rid of it.
I need honey.
Yo, this thing is... You wanna go to the...
No, literally. Now you're making me nervous and I wasn't even...
I don't know why I'm like nervous, but you know, I'm back out. I'm looking for the
is the very next day. I've been sleeping for hours. I am so tired. I could not do day 2. I'm like, I am out for the count, honestly. But I really had a great time. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I know it was like a little crazy, a little sporadic, but it was a lot of fun. We actually got to meet the vice president of Douce, and he let me keep one of the Douce bottles. I was so excited. Like, if you know me, you know I love Hennessy, and like Douce is like the step up from Hennessy. So that was tea. It was really fun. Connie and I just ended up going to Calic Bagels this morning, which is such a delicious spot. If you're ever in LA, they stuff their bagels with cream cheese. Like, they dip them in a garlic sauce and then fry them, and they're delicious. They're so freaking good. $9 for a bagel, but low-key was worth it. And then we just went for a walk, and I came home and napped. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you thumbs up, comment, subscribe. It really helps me to understand like what videos you guys like to see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.